What I really like about Windows 8.1 is that I have the opportunity to make it mine from the moment I turn on my device. My lock screen is more beautiful than ever because I've customized it with a slideshow of all my favorite pictures. It's like a beautiful cloud-powered photo frame. Here, I see not only the date and time, but also important alerts about battery life and how many new messages I have. To log in, I simply click my mouse, press any key on the keyboard, or swipe up on the lock screen. When I sign in using my customized picture password, I experience my own personal touch. Once logged in, I access Charms, and I select Settings. Then, I choose Change PC Settings. The first group of settings that I notice are for personalizing the lock screen, account picture, and picture password. I'll select Lock Screen, and here I can choose from a collection of recently used photos, browse for more, or activate my picture slideshow, which can pull images from any folder on my PC, the cloud, or even my Windows Phone. Here I customize the status updates that I'd like to see on my lock screen, as well as the option to use my camera when my screen is locked. Back on the personalized screen, I click Picture Password, and here I could change the picture or update my standard password. Now let's take a look at the Start screen, where I have unlimited possibilities to customize my apps just the way I want them. First, from Apps view, I can find more apps to pin to my Start screen. I simply tap and hold the first app, and then tap any additional apps I want to pin. Now I select Pin to Start. These apps now appear on the right side of my Start screen. I use these apps every day, so I'll move them for easy access. I press and hold the first app to select it, then I tap the other apps that I want to move. Or I right-click one or several apps at the same time. Now I drag the selected apps to an existing group. Or if I want to create a new group, I drag the apps next to an existing group until a vertical bar appears. To name this group, I simply click Name Group and start typing. If I want to move an entire group to a new location, I click the minus sign at the lower right corner of the screen or pinch my fingers together to zoom out. Here the groups behave just like app tiles, and I can move the group to a convenient location. After arranging my tile groups, I can really build an efficient Start screen by resizing each tile to one of 4 sizes. I right-click or tap and hold the tile, and in App Commands, I select Resize and choose the best option. Now, to customize my Start screen, I go to the Settings charm again, and this time I choose Personalize. Here, I can change the background and choose from multiple colors that best fit my personality or my company's color scheme. With Windows 8.1, I have a wide array of options right at my fingertips to customize it and truly make it my own.